be a traveling looking on a trip.
What if we die? I'm not allowed to do drugs. I'm a good little boy.
Neon, what happened to your head? It's the police and I ain't getting the top.
I'm just a little boy.
The slammer's Kelson.
Hey, look, it's Mariah Carey.
Yeah, you.
Hey, why is Mariah Carey going to jail? You can't put Mariah Carey in jail.
Sit down here in timeout too.
We're gonna put that if we're okay.
Exposed. Alex, just show me my money. Deep in the clavicles.
Say your hips.
This isn't enough money. It's not enough money, so what you gonna do about it? I'm gonna kill it. Give me the potato. Where is it?
Stop. It's looking awesome.
I'm having a bad
And
trip.
don't look at me stupid.
I feel like I'm in Aspen or something. Why is it so cold?
And die.
Is he dead yet? Plunge a little.
Oh no, my friend died from a bad trip.
You can't die from bad trips. Feed him the potato.